I was so tired of fighting over outlets and having to carry multiple chargers for all my devices until I got this incredible device. This has one plug, but can charge 8 different devices at once. Of these 8 ports, you have 5 USB-C and then 3 USB-A. So I can charge my laptop, my phone, my watch, my earbuds, my kids' tablet, speakers, I mean, you name it. And it can all be done at the same time from one place. This top port right here is what's called PD fast charging, which simply means it's powerful enough to charge my MacBook up to 60% in 30 minutes. So no more waiting around for your laptop to charge. It's nice and compact, and it has a 5-foot cord so you can easily reach an outlet. And it's going to easily be portable, whether that is around your home or for you to take on the go, and it's going to work out of the country as well. Plus, it's going to provide a much cleaner look with less cable chaos by keeping everything in one spot, and with the non-slip feet, it's not going to easily budge or move around. So if you've got loads of tech like I do, and you're looking for a simple way to charge all of those devices without having to hassle with tons of chargers, this is the perfect answer. You guys would love it. You've got to give it a try.